And we are live. Hello mga kapatid. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. And to those who will watch later or will be watching later or will watch the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. So excuse the background noise if you can hear it. The handyman are doing some minor repair. But the message today is more important than the mess. So welcome back to another episode of Kape, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. So ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mom of two, the face behind Life Fiddler business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So my goal live today is at 4 p.m. because I should be going to my niece's place today to bring her stuff, and tomorrow I should be attending a birthday party, golden years of my college barkada, Carla Luna, and after which I and my sister and my niece should be celebrating my papa's birthday. He should be 76 if he is still alive. So come Sunday should be my health check. Need to take care of my health as health is wealth. However, due to some issues on my gate pass for the minor house repair, plans need to change. So anyways, happiest birthday tomorrow to my friend Carla. I wish you all the best in life and may God give you all your heart's desire that will give glory to God. And happy birthday to my Papa in heaven. So okay mga kakwento, tanong ko lang sa inyo, ano mas mahirap sa inyo? Yung mag-diet o mag-start ng side hustle? Ayan. O, 'di ba? Meron akong picture. Ano mas mahirap, mag-diet o mag-start ng side hustle? So, comment down below if team diet kayo or team side hustle. So, alam mo yon, yung every Monday sinasabi mo, magda-diet na lang ako. Walang rice, no sugar, no sweets. Pero ayun, Lunes pa lang naghahalo-halo ka na agad tapos may extra rice pa para sa lunch mo. So, ganun din, pag nanghahanap ka ng extra income, di ba, sinasabi natin, maghahanap na ako ng sideline. Ayoko na ng sweldo ko. Kulang talaga. Pero scroll na naman sa TikTok, tapos bukas na naman uli. But here's the thing. Mas mahirap yung may pangarap ka pero wala kang ginagawa para abutin yun. Mas mahirap din yung pagod ka everyday pero wala pa ring ipon. Mas masakit pala yung gusto mong bigyan ng magandang buhay yung family mo pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka kukuha ng gagastusin mo every month. 'Di ba? I used to be like that. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kana, wala akong time, baka hindi ako marunong, but the truth is, wala talagang perfect timing. And ang meron lang is decision. So yung araw na sinabi ko sa sarili ko, Lori, gawin mo na. Enough na ang excuses. Time to create something for your future. And I'm so glad I started this digital business. Hindi ako techie, hindi ako influencer, pero I'm learning. And most of all, I'm hoping again. Hope na I can retire with peace, give my kids a better life, and help others do the same. So, if kaya mo tumanggi sa extra rice kahit ang hirap, di ba? Kaya mo rin magsabi ng yes sa isang opportunity that could change your life. Hindi to instant success. Pero it's a journey na may direction, may support, at may purpose. So if you're watching this and you're feeling stuck, if pagod ka na sa paulit-ulit na tanong sa sarili mo hanggang kailan ganito, maybe it's time to stop dieting on your dreams and start feeding your faith. So just message me, malay mo, ito na yung simula ng bago mong kwento. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this live, and remember, lahat ng bagay pwedeng simulan, kahit diet. But for now, start with your dream. So ako, sa team side hustle ako. Kasi mas madaling gawin ang side hustle kesa mag-diet. So thank you for spending your time with me again this afternoon, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwentong Pagbabago. So bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you're curious or you want to learn more about the business, sign up on my website at www.laurieramos.com with your name and address. So good afternoon and God bless us all. Bye.